Good evening, people. Welcome back to your weekly picker card reading. This reading is from December 21st to December 27th. For those who chose card number 1, Comparison, 5 of Swords. Before you can progress, you need to listen and learn more. Confusions keep you from acting or making decisions. Seek clarity so you can follow your own truth rather than trying to go ahead at this time. Accept your limitations and learn more before trying to advance. You may be trying to move or make changes too quickly. Although it's important to listen to your heart and mind, remain open to possibilities and try to see the other person's side of things too. Strive for understanding than merely attempting to get your own way. In readings, the Five of Swords can mean that you or someone else is forgetting this larger view of self. You are defining your interests too narrowly. Sometimes this card implies a need to put your own interests first. If you are being abused or taken advantage of, you must get free. If you are worn out by demands, take care of yourself. If it is your truth, step forward and claim your due. Just be aware that if you hurt others in the process, your victory will not feel complete. There might be conflict or hostility in your life. Someone is playing power games and there are dishonorable feelings out there, possibly your own. You might encounter hostility, feel that you must either win or lose, and learn to accept that others have boundaries and limits too. Thank you. For those who chose card number 2, Creativity, this is a major arcana card. This card reveals that your nurturing instinct is powerful and you need to concentrate on creating harmony in your relationship. Or perhaps you need to nurture your own heart or get in touch with your physical needs. It suggests that a mother figure is going to be an important influence in your life. You can be assured of progress in any plan, however daunting it may seem. The card suggests that there might be a disruptive female influence in your life. Material wealth or prosperity will be important to you, but it is also time to be creative with your life rather than assume things will fall into your lap. The card reveals that you must be aware of your instinctive nature as well as the rational. Thank you. For those who chose card number 3, Change, Wheel of Fortune, the major arcana. This card reveals the cyclic nature of life and recommends putting yourself in harmony with the ups and downs of the universe. Do not try to control things too much. Have faith that all is being taken care of and will unfold according to a cosmic plan. Destiny is about taking responsibility for your actions rather than blaming those actions on fate. In questions about money, things are on the rise. Your finances should improve soon. Opportunities may come your way, simple because you are in the right place at the right time. In questions about love, an existing relationship gets better or a new romance comes into your life. Do not fear change, instead, embrace it and take action for your future happiness. Unexpected events will give you the motivation to change your life for the better. Thank you. For those who chose card number 4, The Source, Ace of Wands. Wands are all about energy and action. So this card signifies doing something out there in the external world to get results. It is not just about thinking inspirational thoughts, but acting upon them too. In questions about money, This card shows an initial investment can be made in a creative venture. It's time to start earning money from something you feel passionately about. Seek opportunities, trust your inner intuition. In matters regarding love, this card represents the beginning of a passionate new romance or a burst of enthusiasm in an existing relationship. Act on your feelings. Do not wait for the other person to make the first move. A positive response from the other side is likely. In matters regarding to love, in matters regarding love, an opportunity which will engage your imagination and talent can come your way. Put your heart and soul in your ventures. Success is possible, but you must be willing to invest the energy necessary to make it happen. Be optimistic and self confident. Open yourself to new challenges and opportunities. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, you can click a like button and subscribe to my channel for further weekly updates on pick a card reading for the week ahead. If you like to take a personal session, you can always contact me at 95383 00009. You can also follow us on Facebook at Magical Manifestations, and on Instagram it is Manifestations Magical. Have a lovely week. Merry Christmas, guys. God bless. See you in the coming year again. Bye bye. See you. Stay tuned. Thank you.